Why you lying to me?
Just give it a number now.
You don't need it. Jesus Christ. 46 minutes so far. No drink, no food. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Hopefully today I'm here to give you some content which I have not produced in so long, in a lockdown and everything. And you know, I mostly do lifestyle and adventure, which is mostly outdoorsy. To finger them, don't watch the finger them want do, but a video with there for though. Yes, I'm doing a vlog, Robin.
You know, sir, I was hoping to call it God. So this girl don't
Yes, I'm doing a vlog.
on the back.
Let me take it down.
Good.
YouTube.
A bear
Miss,
bad where bear got
watch
shit.
out. You see how she stay? Anyways, we are here. What you again, Robin?
What is right somewhere right there? So
Oh,
orbital conch and two
two of them
more.
you getting?
Three
orbital?
one here and two others here. No man,
Oh.
it's not the same type.
Alright. My earring understood the assignment because she's falling out at this point. So, we're waiting.
And nothing hurts anymore, I feel kinda free. We're still the kids we used to be. I put my hand on the stove to see if I still bleed. And nothing hurts anymore, I feel kinda free. We're still the kids we used to be.
I mean, give it a no. Give it a no.
Honestly, babe, you don't need numbers.
Give it a
Robin, you
no.
don't
I
have
rather
to
numb that. You
so.
don't need for numbers. Come.
I mean, people are watching and you don't
Wait,
have to
lead.
so.
Now go cuff
Wait,
you.
just give it a number
You
now.
don't need it. Jesus
Give
Christ.
it a no.
Wanna see this? Wanna see this?
6.5 hours later.
So,
Mother effer, I want to know.
But of YouTube, say
yes.
upsetting.
But want to know, me don't believe when nobody said to me.
You don't need it, and you. No, that I'm spray you with it.
Really? That
But you
hurt?
never make it
Why you
so
coming like that?
cute.
We're on YouTube.
Numb don't work.
I'm gonna go put the gel.
Numb don't. You know that? I don't know she know me. I just hairspray, she hairspray.
Come.
What's nice? I love pink.
They're pink.
Yes, girl. Be nice with the video, please, Robin.
Oh God, pink cute.
It's
So
only
like you
cute,
gorgeous.
Don't
cute.
speak to me.
Little no 100%, right?
Is it mine that's telling me if no? Proper appears up people. Watch nice. Watch nice. Watch nice. Watch inches. Watch inches.
Hello.
Stop it. Get some help.
I shouldn't spray you because you still are going bad.
Never bad. You never enough of yourself. Once again. Just.
That's how I know I can't get a vaccine, you know.
Good job, Robin. Woo! Jesus.
This can numb too.
No, it's why. I got like it. Cannot know.
Why you lying to me?
No, it can't numb. I've never seen nose numb yet.
Let's relax. 1, 2, 3.
See that?
Oh, that never asked.
When numb I go.
True, that never asked.
with the eye again. Roll it one more time. Come guy rank fast, please. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm not going to. Yo, you're coming in wicked, you know. Woman. How the song go? Them gal are wicked, them wicked. Babe, honestly. You lied, weirdo. You lied, man. Not gonna lie. You like it?
It's a pink for me.
Really?
This is gorgeous, yeah.
I don't know what she do, but she said gorgeous. So back at it again.
Oh boy.
So I hit up my head and this one fell out like a week later. Because it's like rubbing your babe the strongest.
Oh,
You're proud of yourself?
Yeah, I'm not lying.
Okay. Just one.
Later.
Alright, so kinda try to clean up a little bit. Yeah. So I'm headed to offshore. Yeah, offshore seafood lounge. It's on Constant Spring Road. I've never been there before, so I think I'm gonna plug it in GPS cause me easy for last. Yeah, girl can't find and don't know nowhere for somebody with just always a guy road. So I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna head there. And tonight is their seafood special, $2,000, and you get king crab, shrimp, all the different seafood, them lobster, yeah, the good things them. So I can't wait, cause anybody when know Lisa knows say Lisa love crab. Lisa love crab bad. I'm gonna head there and I will see you. Yeah. Windshield washer left me a little love note. Aww. This is where we start. Alright.
Still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenir. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walked out my life? Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walked out my life? Still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenir. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold out.
So I had to come here mostly because the price for their lobster seafood boil was just ridiculously cheap. $2,500. Everything is right there. So I had to come and get it. I feel like otherwise their prices are very good. It's not ridiculous. And it's in Jamaican dollars, no worries.
They stare at me like souvenir. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life.
We're gonna review their food today. You don't know I'm vlogging, but we're reviewing food today. I think the ambiance is good.
Still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenir. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walked out my life? Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever.
We are waiting 46 minutes so far. No drink, no food. I don't know what's the acceptable waiting time, but I feel like the place empty, so I don't feel like the wait. I see what the wait is for. Cause I know it's not. I don't know if people get them food already, so So it got super dark. I didn't get to get proper pictures or videos in, but I tried. Jessica got her seafood boil in garlic, extra spicy. I got mine in curry, extra spicy. And the chef stand up in it when it comes to flavor, when it comes to seasoning, when it comes to taste, presentation. It's fine. It's a seafood boil. It ain't supposed to look cute. I love it. People are the best seafood boil I've so far. When I tell you, no lie. I tell you no lies right here. So the shrimp, biting at the shrimp, the flavor just guys, check them out. This is not a promotional video. I promise you. I must say, apart from the affordability, you know, the DJ had a little vibe, the ambience, just the whole place is definitely somewhere I would go with friends again. So this drink was not on the menu, but I told the bartender what I wanted and what I felt for, and he made me something special for $500. Okay, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, press the like button. Yep, that's right, I'm waiting. Hit the like button. All right, honey. Hit the like button, like, share, subscribe, tell your friend, tell your mother, tell everybody. See you on the next video.